Hello friends, this is Bhimratna. First of all, let me welcome you all to my channel. Today we will discuss a very important topic, that is electrical energy and how it is produced. Stay connected with me till the video ends so that you will be in a position to understand what is energy, what is electrical energy, and will get maximum out of it. Before we start with the electrical energy, let us understand what is energy first. Friends, energy is nothing but just a capacity to do work, and it is measured in joule. Can we store energy? Is it possible to store energy? No, not at all. Law of conservation of energy clearly states that. It clearly states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be converted from one form of energy into another form of energy, whereas total energy of the universe remains constant. Then what is electrical energy? It is one and the same thing. It is just the conversion of one form of energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy is measured in kilowatt hour. You might have seen your electricity bills, wherein you are charged for consumption of units. In your bill, say suppose you are charged for 100 units. That one unit is the kilowatt hour of energy you consume. Electricity is the production of voltage and current at constant frequency of 50 Hz. In India, we are having 50 Hz of frequency, whereas in other countries like United States, Colombia, you will find frequency of 60 Hz. Voltage is the potential difference between 2 points and it is measured in volts, whereas current is the rate of flow of charge, or you can say it is an opposition to the flow of electrons and it is measured in ampere. When we say Faraday's law, it is nothing but EMF is equal to minus n d phi by dt. When we produce electricity, when we want to produce electricity, we need a generator. That generator has to be rotated. Now just imagine I am rotating the generator with my hands. Is it possible? No, not at all. So we have to rotate it by another means. That means by means of prime mover. And that prime mover is nothing but a turbine. Turbine is used to rotate the generator. Turbine is coupled with generator by means of a coupling. When turbine rotates, generator rotates, and inside the generator you have magnetic lines of force produced by the magnetic field, or you can say magnet inside the generator. That magnetic lines of force are measured in Weber. When there is a rate of change of flux inside the generator, when it is being cut, there is a rate of change of flux and electromotive force is produced as per Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. It is also called as volts. Depending on the medium which is used to rotate the turbine, the various power plants are classified as hydroelectric power plant, thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, etc. We will see first the typical layout of hydroelectric power plant. In the screen, you can see water is stored at a height in dam. So water is having potential energy with it. When it starts flowing downward, that potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. So at the inlet of the turbine, you are having kinetic energy plus potential energy of water. That energy gets converted into mechanical energy at the output, at the outlet of turbine. Mechanical energy gets converted into electrical energy at the end of generator. This is how energy conversion takes place in case of hydroelectric power plant. Now let us see thermal power plant. Friends, you can see the picture here. In thermal power plant, boiler is there. Boiler is used for generation of steam. a pressurized steam at high pressure and at high temperature. This pressurized steam is used for rotating the turbine. It enters the turbine, and when turbine rotates, it starts rotating the generator. Because turbine is coupled with generator by means of mechanical coupling, once turbine rotates, generator rotates. And as per Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, electromotive force is produced inside the generator, and current and voltage, or we can say electricity, is produced, which is transmitted through the transmission lines up to the tower. This is what electricity is all about. In our next video, we will discuss about what is active power and reactive power. Because I know, I have seen many of our friends, even after passing out an engineering degree, they find it difficult to understand and explain what is active power and reactive power. But you don't worry, you need not to worry. I am there with you. I will try my level best to make it more and more simple so that you will be in a position to understand it clearly, and I assure you that you will not forget it in your future life. Friends, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, and of course take care of your family and of course you also.